What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, what I'm going to be doing is we're going to be starting a whole new series, guys. If you want to see the series that I'm currently doing, what you're going to do is go ahead and click right there, right above this video. But listen, guys, we're going to start another video series on how to create a full-time income in the next 90 days. I'm talking a six-figure income online in the next 90 days, guys. So that is what this video series is going to be about. Now, there are specific things that you are going to need to do in order to be successful in this video series if you choose to partake with me, guys. All right, I put these videos out there along with my buddy Josh, and we put these videos out there. Okay, so in this video, you're going to learn how to use systems, which we've discussed, but we're going to go into a little bit more detail in this video series, guys. So make sure you go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you know when I'm dropping a brand new video in this series or in the 0 to 10K series, guys. A little bit different series, guys. A little bit advanced versus beginner, beginner versus advanced. All right, so go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell notification, and stay all the way to the end of the video so you will be able to go ahead and partake in the bonus structure that I'll be having for you guys. I'll see you at the end.
So how would you guys like to learn exactly how to make six figures in 90 days or less? I'm going to show you in this brand new series exactly how to do just that. I'm going to go ahead and go over some things that I didn't go over in my initial series, which is the 0 to 10K per month video series. If you haven't seen that, make sure that you go and you watch it. But in this video series, we're going to take what we learned from the 0 to 10K per month challenge, and we're going to improve upon it, build on top of it, and also even make it more condensed. So if you are somebody that maybe doesn't have a ton of time to go through every single video on the 0 to 10K per month video series, that's completely fine. We're going to cover a lot of the same stuff in this video series. We're going to reference the 0 to 10K per month video series from time to time as well. But this is going to be super exciting. Going to be building right on top of it, improving what we've already got. And this is going to be super exciting. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to subscribe to this channel and you need to tick the bell icon because that's going to notify you of tomorrow's video. So essentially what we're going to do, and what I've done in the past with these series, is we take actions together. I show you guys exactly what I'm doing inside of my business, no stone left unturned, day by day and week by week, where I click, the actions that I take to build my business to six figures. So speaking of, just since January, I started a new campaign, and these are the different income streams that I was able to make money in. And again, we're going to be duplicating this process. You can see $8,636 here, $3,711 here, $35,950 here, and $28,953 here. So we're going to be taking this step by step, and we're going to start you off with one income stream, get you making money within that income stream to begin to get into these other income streams that can pay you higher, amounts of commissions. We're talking you can make up to $2,000 in commissions. But we're going to start with the bare bones, the basics. We're going to make this super simple for you guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to set up so you're set up for this whole entire part of this video series, this first part. So we're going to give you the product that you're going to promote. We're going to give you sort of the 10,000 foot overview of this specific strategy. So the first thing that you need is, obviously you need a product to sell. This specific product is going to be your first income stream that you're going to start making money off of. And it's called the Home Business Academy. It's a $25 per month business, and you earn $20 commissions from it. And also there's a back-end product that's $125 per month, and you can earn $100 per month in commissions. So we're going to be using the $25 product and the $125 product throughout the video series. So you're going to want to go ahead, you're going to want to grab both. So the first thing that you need to do is click the link below in the description, and it's going to take you to this page right here. Okay, and you can feel free to read through this. But essentially what this is at $25 per month, you get access to a funnel builder, okay, which is a software that allows you to build sales processes. And we're going to be talking about this later on, so do not worry about it whatsoever. Just follow the directions within this video. All you need to do is click on, yes, I want access for just $25. Once you click on that, you're going to fill out the information right here. Okay, enter your credit card number here, all the details here, scroll down, and you want to go ahead and click this box right here, add 14-day free test drive to my order. This is for the HBA Premium Traffic and Conversions. Okay, after 14 days, it's $125 per month. The HBA Funnel Builder is $25 per month after 30 days, you'll pay monthly on that. So you want to go ahead and select this button and complete your order. We're going to be using both the HBA Funnel Builder feature, and we're also going to be using the HBA Premium feature throughout this case study series. Again, guys, I'm showing you guys exactly what it is that I did to get the results that you've seen at the beginning of this video. So you need to pay close attention and need to follow me step by step. So once you do that, you'll get access to your members area, and your members area is going to look something like this, okay? The first thing that you want to do is go ahead, ignore the Funnel Builder Academy, ignore the HBA Premium, ignore the Financial Literacy Academy. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on Affiliate Zone. Okay, once we click on Affiliate Zone, watch this video here and sign up for the affiliate program right here. Okay, once you sign up for the affiliate program, you can log into Samcart, and this is Samcart right here. And beneath the total commissions that you're seeing here, you're going to see all your affiliate links. The primary affiliate link that we're going to focus on right now at this point is the all-in-one $25 business. Okay, you can go ahead and you can copy this and you can save it to a safe place. Okay, once we do that, in the next video, we're going to start implementing email marketing. Okay, so there's two ways that you guys can make money on the internet. And there is the free method and there's the paid method. Obviously, the goal, you guys, is to get as many people to your affiliate links as possible. That is just simply affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Get as many people to an affiliate link as possible so you can start earning commissions. So again, there's two methods that we use to do that, paid traffic and free traffic. Now, I focus on free traffic. You can make 6 figures with just free traffic alone. I've made a multiple 7-figure income just with free advertising using things like TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. And we're going to be teaching you those strategies in this series. So in the last series, we focused more on email marketing. In this series, we're going to focus more on social media advertising. We will still include the email marketing portion, but we're going to be diving deeper into social media advertising, doing YouTube videos, doing Facebook posts. So you need to be willing to do social media advertising if you're going to do affiliate marketing. Cut and dry. You need to be willing to learn the skill set, and I am going to be your guide. I'm going to help you through that regardless of your fear. If you're completely scared of doing YouTube videos, making Facebook posts, don't worry. We're going to take baby steps here. We're going to do this together. So just trust in me as your mentor and trust in the process. People that have followed the same same exact methodology are making 30, 50, even up to $100,000 per month that were my previous students. So please pay close attention and follow this. So again, take note of your affiliate link here. Okay, you go ahead and save that to a notepad. We're going to be using it in the next video for the email marketing portion. After we complete the email marketing portion, then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with the social media advertising. And the cool thing is you guys are going to be able to leverage my YouTube videos, upload them to your channel. You're going to be mixing my videos with your videos. So do not worry. Initially, you don't have to put your face on camera, but at some point you will want to go ahead and do that to go ahead and build a brand, okay? And go ahead and create more sales. Showing your face on camera improves your conversion rates and the amount of people that buy drastically. So once we've done that, then what we can do is we can jump back over here to the Home Business Academy, right? We've got our affiliate account now. Now we can jump over to the HBA Premium. And what I want you to do as homework is go ahead and go through the pre-traffic section, okay? And then what I want you to do is go ahead, if you have time, obviously take this, at your own pace, but make sure that you hold yourself accountable. I'll help you become accountable too as well. I'll hold you accountable, in other words. So go through the pre-traffic section, okay? These videos aren't too bad. Complete these here. And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be, in later videos, we're going to be completing each of these traffic strategies here. So we're going to do some, like I said, YouTube stuff. We're going to do some Facebook stuff. And that's really where we're going to start. And then we're going to move into TikTok and Instagram. And we might even eventually at some point do some blogging. So just complete the pre-traffic section here. And then just be aware of the free traffic section. You don't need to complete any of these videos at this point. So don't try and skip ahead. I don't want to overwhelm you guys. Again, we just want to pick a couple traffic strategies and master those. So don't be the person that feels like you're going through college again. You got to complete all these videos because you're just most likely going to get overwhelmed. What we want to do is we want to go through just a few pieces of content and training and then take action immediately on that content. And all you really need to make six figures is just one strategy, guys. One traffic strategy. Okay, we're going to be doing two so we can speed up the rate of your success so we can do this in the next 90 days or less. So again, guys, start by getting the $25 all-in-one business and then upgrade to the HBA Premium so you can get access to the traffic strategies and so that we can go through this together. There's some other cool features that are built into that payment that you're paying per month that we're going to be using later on as well. So at this point, you'll have all the tools that you need once you have the HBA Premium and you have.
All right, guys, that's going to wrap up day number 1 of this series. Now, if you want to, you can go to my other playlist and start that series at day number 0, guys. Well, at least day number 1. Okay, this is the other playlist that I have right now going. Okay, that's the 0 to 10K. Okay, this is 90 days to get a full-time income, guys. So, make sure you go ahead, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you know when I'm dropping a new video, either in this series or in my other series or live, guys. All right, so as a part of my bonuses, guys, if you join me in the E1U Vertex Live level, okay, I'm going to show you how to jumpstart your success. And that's a bonus, okay? This is how you jumpstart your success, guys, with buying traffic, okay? So for those of you that join me and go in this level right here, the $510 to $570 5 clicks silver package, which is a $660 value, guys. All you have to do is when you join me, email me your link. I will then go right here. I will type your link right in here, okay? And then I will place the order. It's that simple, guys. All right. So that's bonus number 1. And if you haven't already done so, hop on over to Facebook and join me in my private Facebook group right here, guys. Team Level Up. All right, so join me. I go into a little bit more discussion in this private Facebook group in regards to affiliate marketing and certain things that are working in the industry, and tutorials and so on and so forth. And just in case you've missed a video, guys, I'll post it here in this group, guys. All right, so make sure you follow the steps, take the action, and I will see you tomorrow for day number 2. Peace.